G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today. I'd like to introduce you to our whole house Big Blue high flow twin rainwater tank water filter system with Aragon heavy metal, bacteria and virus protection. This water filter is part of our untreated water filter range and is ideal for treating rainwater for any situation, whether it be for your whole home, a business, commercial use, or if you would prefer not to use ultraviolet sterilisation. This rainwater tank whole house water filter comes with Australian watermark, fully tested and certified BPA free high pressure housings, your choice of a plain white steel bracket, a stainless steel bracket or a heavy duty stainless steel frame, water pressure gauges, a housing removal tool, a 20-inch by 4.5-inch rainwater pleated washable sediment cartridge and a 20-inch by 4.5-inch Aragon water filter cartridge. Water from your water tank will flow through the first housing where it will flow through the rainwater pleated sediment cartridge. This will remove the sediments, lumps and bumps out of the water to shield the next stage of the filtration process. This ensures sediment does not block up the cartridge in the second housing, so these can perform at 100% to remove the contaminants, tastes, smells and odours out of your water, so you will have beautiful tasting water, soft healthy hair and smooth skin. This Aragon water filter cartridge is also responsible to protect you from heavy metals, pesticides and other contaminants. But it also takes your whole home filtration to the next level with bug, bacteria and virus protection. This whole house Big Blue high flow twin water filter system is an industry leader in the whole house filtration class and is a great way to protect you and your family and your home. Both the pleated sediment cartridge and the Aragon cartridges are comprehensively tested cartridges. The Aragon water filter cartridge is one of the most comprehensively tested cartridges on the market. It is designed by Geyser in Europe, tested all over the world including the Pasteur Institute in France, and they are always innovating to create better filtration cartridges to create clean, fresh, chemical-free water. This system is easy to install for any qualified person and is normally installed on the side of the house prior to the incoming mains water supply to your home. Replacing the cartridges in this system is a breeze, and you can easily do it yourself using the tool that is provided with this water filter system. Simply remove the housings using the housing removal tool, empty the chamber of any water, remove the used cartridges, replace with new cartridges and screw the chambers back on, giving them a tighten up to seal both chambers, and you're done. Also, when you purchase your water filter through My Water Filter, you'll be automatically notified by text when your cartridges need to be replaced, so you don't even need to remember. It comes with the standard 5-in-1 warranty, 5 years on the housing and 1 year on the parts and fittings, so you can feel confident that this durable rainwater tank system will continue to provide you safe, bug, bacteria-free water for many years to come. So if you are looking for a great water filter system for your water tank, then this rainwater tank water filter system with Aragon is for you. Clean, contaminant-free water for everyone in your home is just a magnificent way to live. Enjoy.